And guys, today we're gonna do the level Forest Incursion. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So today in this level, we will be covering complete your own level, and we will also increase the player's max speed, increase the player's max health, change the player's attack damage, and use the Goliath as a player. So when you call spawn player XY, it returns a player object for you to modify. And then you can change the properties of the player like max speed, max health, and attack damage. Like this. You get the player is spawn XY Goliath, and then you can change his speed, his health, and his attack damage. So let's begin. Okay, unfortunately, Okar needs to stomp out these annoying little munchkins. Unfortunately, he is slow, and his attack do little damage. Fortunately, as a game developer, you have full control over the world. Set Okar's properties to buff him for ogre slaying. You can find default values in the dock panel. So you had to add a defeat goal and add a survive goal. So what this does is it makes a survive goal saying that you should survive, and defeat goal. It says the goal saying that defeat all the enemies. Then we get the Goliath, his attack damage. Let us make it 500. His speed, let's make it 100. And his max health, let's increase it. Not too much, just like at least 1,000. So yeah, and increase the players greater than 4, so he runs faster. And on the way, you should collect the gems. And if you want, you can like update it by summoning more. You can summon like more munchkins or throwers. But as a game developer, you can see that you have full control over the game's components. So this, you could just make the map, and now you click play. This is my values are not what you can do. You can use any value you want. So now we just come over here. He is very fast. Okay. We can take him all if we want to. Okay. And next when you do that, click. Should we get the gem? Okay, so what a comeback. So now we are going to do another level called Behavior Driven Development. You have to use the behavior property to change the unit's AI. So after win the game, archers should defend, ogres to attack, skeletons should scamper. And don't remove or add friends. So you could have this behavior property. Okay, so Skeleton 3's behavior is scamper, so he'll just run around randomly. And if the behavior is attack nearest, he will attack the nearest enemy. Defend, he will defend. So if you keep it for a friend, he will defend the hero. But he will only attack if we come close, so that's defend for him. And you have to pick the right variable for Skeleton, Ogre, and Ogre 2, Ogre 3, and Archer 1. So now let's restart the level. Okay, so assign scampers to Skeleton 3 behavior. Okay, skeleton dot behavior. Okay, and skeleton 3 dot behavior equals scampers. Assign attack nearest to the ogres. So you could just copy this and just do this and this. Ogre 1, then you make this to Ogre 2, Ogre 3. Now we do the archer dot behavior. Archer 1 dot behavior. Behavior is defense. So yep, so this is it. And we have to archers to defend, ogres to attack, skeletons to scamper, and don't remove any enemy. And we should win the game. So we have to just kill these guys. So there's nothing over here. You just spawn the player. You give him his attack damage. Let's just work with it a bit. And then you just spawn forest, some light stones and some potions and the archer. So yeah, so what we learned from here is that we have full control over our components of the game, and this command, it spawns the skeleton at this position X, and scampers, we saw the first scamper just like makes it run around. Ogre, you spawn ogres, you make them to attack the nearest, you defend, you ask the archer to defend. And next then our player is a raider, 1000 max health, you can just change it a bit, 10,000, okay, 10,000. A survive goal, which is a goal that should tell us to survive. Add a defeat goal, which tells us a goal that we have to defeat. The whole map summoning. So yeah, that's it. So let's play. Okay, you hit this, you hit this, you hit this. So that's it. So in these levels, we have learned about like how to control the behavior of our player and some goals. And we learn how to just create a small basic game in Python. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. And guys, this is Coding with Gautam, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.